Okay, this is a little exercise that we like to call feeding mush to puppies. And they've just started their mush meals a few days ago, and they're doing very well. So, guys, look, nummy num 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 nummy num 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 nums. Nummy nummy num 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 num. Oh my gosh. Yes. They were hungry. Look at that. There they are. Some of them are pigs and they try to shove everybody out of the mush. Here, let's help you. You know, if you all would just get around it in a circle, then you'd find that there is enough room for everyone. But some of you big boys just like to plant yourselves in the middle of the dish and try to hog it from your sisters, which isn't very nice. Now that's the way to do it. That's the way 8 puppies in one dish can eat. I'll tell you, these guys coming off the road from Ohio, they were really ready for some solid food. They were screaming and clamoring for it. Mother's milk just wasn't enough for them anymore. So the first time we put a dish of anything down for them, they dove right in and had no trouble figuring out that this was something they really wanted. So, these are my mush puppies. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Looks like somebody inhaled some. Not to worry. Anyway, just to make the rounds of them from the top. This guy, that is Poindexter, boy. Spy, boy. Spin, girl. Stilton, boy. Bomber, boy. Widget, girl. Twister, or Twist, girl. And this one here is Darla. Good job, guys. Make a big mess. That's what it's there for. Table manners come later. Now it's just all about pushing our paws into the mush and trying to snarf up as much as we can without choking on it.